Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from partsauto.com, and we're going to talk about that motor mount. Start the car and you hear it bouncing around. Does it look like it's vibrating too much underneath the hood? Well, the odds are one of those motor mounts got broken. And in which case, if you're in a 4x4, it's no doubt you've broken all sorts of them. You know where they are. Come on, we'll take a look at this one. This is an A6 Audi, and you'll see right here that the motor mounts are rubber insulators, where the motor actually is mounted to the frame of the car within a rubber encasing so that you don't feel that vibration in the car at all. What happens is the rubber itself will become delaminated from the metal bolt that goes right through it, and they'll need to be replaced. Not hard to replace, really, usually around 3 or 4 bolts depending on the car, the make, the model, where they are. I don't have a hard time with them. You won't have a hard time with them either. Look up an instructional video for the car make and model of yours and order those mounts from us. We've got them. Hey, why not buy a set of urethane ones? You may never have to do them again. Partsauto.com, we got that part you need.
The part you need now.